Hey, it's James here, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to quickly show you how one simple system turned my accounts from $0 every day to making $2,767.84 in daily commissions earned. All it takes is just a few moments to set up each morning. Then my entire job is to just refresh my account and see payments like this roll in. And the best part is, it has nothing to do with e-com, arbitrage, Facebook, SEO, YouTube, or crypto. None of those outdated methods. I'm not showing you this to brag, not at all. You see, just 2 years ago, I wasn't getting stupid cash-producing results like these. No. Like many of us, I worked at a minimum wage job and was struggling to make ends meet. You're taken away from important events and vacations from family and friends. You're just simply exhausted day in and day out. Y'all with me on that? See, like many of us, I was working 10 hours a day to achieve my boss's dreams, making him more and more money while I got paid peanuts. And I couldn't quit, too. I had to put food on the table for my family, I had a newborn son on the way, and had to figure out how to generate some extra cash for my family. But I knew there must be a better way. So I started doing what I do best. Looking up making money online. I tried everything: e-com, crypto, Facebook marketing, SEO, YouTube, arbitrage, everything. I kept buying everything I could get my hands on with nothing to show for it. My bank account was depleting and my credit cards were maxing out. I got tired of spending money on bogus programs filled with fake promises. So I researched how expert marketers were actually making massive amounts of wealth. I was amazed at how simple this one process was. I was essentially able to use what I found and develop a newbie-friendly system that started quickly generating $100 a day, $200 a day. Then over the next 30 days, I was generating $1,000 to $2,000 per day in commissions earned from just this one simple process. I was finally able to sit down with my wife and we agreed that it was time to hand in my resignation so I can focus on mastering this process. So anyone, even stone-cold newbies, could enjoy consistent, profitable affiliate commissions and sales in just 3 simple steps. We literally created and simplified a system that immediately eliminates the learning curve with no tedious work. Never before has such a powerful, realistic affiliate process been released to the market. Here's how it works. Step 1. Grab your copy of Affiliate One. Do this quickly as the price increases with each purchase. Step 2. Log into Affiliate One and replicate our process in just 30 minutes. Step 3. Enjoy profitable days and ongoing affiliate sales and commissions. It's that simple. Within minutes of this exact moment, you too could be generating consistent flow of commissions. Because the Affiliate One system works so well, we've had 50 beta members successfully implement the exact process, and within 24 hours, I got a message from one of our beta members, Fitzroy. He made $1,802 within 24 hours. He said, "Whoa, mate, I was able to earn $1,800 in just under 48 hours? Beer's on me next time." I even had George message me that very same day. He was in disbelief. "James, only 48 hours in and over $1,700. Insane! More people need this in their lives. It works without fail each and every day to produce numbers like that for us. We designed it with exactly that in mind, and all it really takes is 3 simple steps to unlock the full potential of Affiliate One. Click 1. Log into Affiliate One system on any device. Click 2. Set up your done-for-you commission converting campaigns. We've even thrown in complete training on how to create profits straight away. Click 3. Sit back and enjoy results as you fire your campaigns to our exact hot buyer traffic sources. Now that we showed you the power of Affiliate One, you're probably thinking, is this very expensive? And you'd be right to think that, considering I've spent thousands of hours to perfect this system, as well as $13,642.72 to build. However, we aren't going to be passing on that cost to you. Even though most effective affiliate systems and trainings out there cost around $997 or even $2,997 plus a monthly fee too. It would be fair to typically charge $297 a month, but you won't be paying $297 per month. You won't be paying $67 per month. No, not even $47 per month. In fact, we are going to give you an incredible time-sensitive launch deal. When you act right now, you can get in for a one-time fee during the launch period without any monthly fees. You can literally grab Affiliate One at the one-time price, which is less than the price of 2 large family pizzas. And it gets better. When you act now, we even decided to throw in some huge money-making bonuses worth thousands, absolutely free. You can see the details below. We can easily sell these bonuses for more than $697 each, and they aren't available anywhere else. But you'll get them free when you act right now. And to make it even more risk-free and easier for you, if you implement Affiliate One and for whatever reason you don't get results or our support team can't seem to help you resolve your issues, we will refund every penny under our money-back guarantee. See, we know what it's like. We've come from pretty humble backgrounds, so we know what it's like trying to push through the struggle of starting an online business or even earning commissions, period. Now, with Affiliate One, which you can get your hands on today, we now wake up daily to happily work from home, spend time with our kids, enjoy the finer things in life, all without too much stress if I'm being honest. Now imagine this, writing and handing your own resignation to your boss. Walking out on your lifestyle-limiting 9-to-5 job, and being able to have the freedom of using the Affiliate One system to earn 2 times, 3 times, or even 10 times what our job was paying weekly. To be honest, sometimes we need to pinch ourselves to make sure we aren't dreaming. That's exactly what we want for you too, and why we created Affiliate One for just that purpose. So, if you find yourself struggling to get ahead in life financially, tired and frustrated, and floundering around without a plan, not knowing how exactly to get ahead, we suggest you jump inside and take a look. And to put your mind at ease, the only question that remains is, are you ready to experience a massive increase in your affiliate marketing efforts with an influx of commissions using the Affiliate One system in just 30 minutes from now? We will see you on the inside. Hit the buy button below right now and secure Affiliate One at an absolute steal.